Hi, I am Ratan. Now you are going to see railway gate automation system. So here before 1 kilometer it is going to sense the signal, sense the train, and the gates are going to get closed. Okay, and the signal will turn into red color. Once it passes away, again after 1 kilometer sensor will sense the signal, again the gates are going to open and it turns into green color. Like that, it is an automation system which will help with a unmanned person. Thank you.
Hi guys, here we are discussing about the components required in it. See, we need a train kit, okay, train kit and a road path, and also we need Arduino board, UNO, and we need 2 servo motors, and also we need 2 IR sensors, and we need a railway signals, that is 2 red color LEDs and 2 green lighting LEDs. Okay, so coming to the connections. Okay, here first of all, with the Arduino cable you are going to do program. I am going to put in the description. Just by going into the Arduino app, you embed you copy the program. After copying the program, you just press upload. By this cable, the program will be embedded in the Arduino board. Okay, and coming to the connections, if you observe, of all these, positive and negative 2 terminals will be there for every supply to have a power. So here if you observe, red color, black color. So for everything you will be having 3 terminals. One is power supply, another one is negative, positive and negative, and one is for signal. Okay, if it gets the signal, then it will get operated. So here all the reds are combined together. See, all the reds are combined together, and this red is connected over here of 5 volts. Okay, this Arduino board will take 12 volts, and this Arduino board will supply 5 volts. So this red wire you have to connect to the 5 volt supply. So this is the 5 volt supply. So for the servo motors and as IR sensors, all got short circuited. That means all got connected, right? And coming to the negative, so this middle terminal, which is said to be ground, is connected. In servo motors, it is of brown color, which is negative. So brown color and black color, everything got shorted over here, and from here we have connected to the negative, that is ground. If you observe in the board, you will see 3 grounds. So you can connect anywhere in the ground terminal, right? So next, coming to the IR sensors. So these are the IR sensors. So in the IR sensor, there is a terminal called out. Out means signal. So this terminal you have to connect to the Arduino board second number. So first IR sensor you have to connect to the Arduino board pin number 2. Okay, this yellow line. Okay, next second IR sensor is there. In this out pin is there, which is of blue color, and this one you have to connect to the pin number 3. You have to connect to the pin number 3. This blue color is connected to the pin number 3. So, and after that, coming to the servo motors. Servo motors also, see, if you observe, orange, red, brown. So red is positive, brown is negative, and orange color is for the signal. So this orange color is connected to the pin number 8, and one more servo is there. This servo orange number is connected to the pin number 9. Okay, so after that, coming to the signals, we need green light and red light, right? So for green light and red light, LED. So see, while connecting these LEDs, you have to keep in mind that positive should be connected to the 1 kilo ohm resistor. After 1 kilo ohm resistor only you have to give the connections. So in this, if you observe carefully, the long terminal is considered as positive and short terminal is considered as negative. Otherwise you can see in the LED, if you see one short probe will be there, that is considered as positive. So that, and long beak type is there, that is considered as negative. So this short, which is said to be positive, is connected with a 1 kilo ohm resistor, and this should be connected here. And negative, you can take any ground wire and you can connect to the ground. You can connect even general ground also. There are totally 3 ground terminals. So positive wire you have to connect to the. So in the LED, if coming to the probes, one wire will be long, one cable will be long, so this is considered as positive. If you cut these wires for identification purpose, here if you see there is a thin probe, and there is a longer probe. Okay, so thin one is considered as positive, and longer one, which is like this, is considered as negative. Big type will be there inside the LED. Okay, I am telling about inside the LED. So that thin probe, which is having, you have to connect one resistor over here, okay, of 1 kilo ohm resistor. It is must to connect 1 kilo ohm resistor, otherwise the LEDs will burn off. So for positive terminals, you have to connect LED. You have to connect 1 kilo ohm resistor in both the places. And these here in the connections, if you use two side, here, then green, for green lighting you have to connect to the 6th and 7th pin, okay, in the Arduino. And for red light you have to connect into the 4th and 5th pin. 4th and 5th pin connect jesse, you are going to get red light. Okay, these are the connections entirely. And coming to the working, okay, if you observe carefully,
everything you have to give 12 volt supply with the help of external battery, or you can give an adapter with the help of this pin. Okay, once you are giving, everything got started. So here if you observe, there is a green color, that means the vehicles can come in and go out. Okay, there is a pathway. Now we are putting a sensor 1 kilometer before, and we are putting sensor 1 kilometer after, okay, because of the more number of bogies. So now I am switching on. Once it crosses this first sensor, the gates will close, and once it crosses the second sensor, the gates will open, and the signal will turn into red color. See the operation. So this is how, here if you observe, while it is crossing, the gates are closing and we are getting red signal, and while it is crossing, the gates are opening and it is coming into green color. So this is how the product will be. And thank you.